In this lecture, we'll talk about nodes. Nodes are very important in Nuke. Why? Because Nuke is a node-based program. So we use nodes all time in Nuke. Let's see our nodes here in the project, and definitely the project will be attached to the lecture in Udemy website. We have here 5 nodes: color wheel, then transform node, then blur, then merge. So let's break down these nodes and know how they work. Here we added the transform node after color wheel by this way to make this animation. If we play, we'll find this animation. Then we added this blur node. This is transform without blur. This is blur node. We added blur by adding blur node after transform node, and then we merged all this over this constant. So if we want to make these nodes again, we have 3 ways. First one is to press tab and then type the name of the node you want, like color wheel. Second way to find it in this bar, like this. Third way, to press right click on node graph and you will find all the nodes in Nuke here in this menu. So we have color wheel here. I think the easiest way to bring whatever you want to press tab and type the name of the node you want. And definitely there are many nodes that have shortcuts. We can call them by only press this shortcut. For example, if we want to get transform node, we press T. If we want to bring blur node, we press B. If we want to bring merge, press M. So it's very easy, and by one button you can get this node. So let's talk about these symbols. A means animation. Here, if we double click the transform node, we find this animation table. We made an animation on it. Here we can find our animation here. So if we find any node with this little a, we know that this node contains an animation. And here, this little x means we used mix in this node. Mix means we have to reduce or maximize the effect of the node here. And there are many shortcuts you can use to deal with nodes. If we want to get this node out of tree, we can press this node and then on keyboard press Ctrl Shift X. So now blur node is out of our tree. If we want to select nodes, we can press shift and left click to select whatever nodes we want. Or can we press the left mouse and drag? We can only use this map by moving there. If we want to zoom in and zoom out, we use the mouse wheel here. Go zoom in and zoom out. And to navigate in node graph, we press middle mouse and drag. By this way, we can navigate in node graph of Nuke. If we also press this transform node twice, we will get its properties. In this pen, we can control all the parameters of any node. And here, for example, in transform node, we can change scale by this way. We can also change skew and rotation. What if we want to get all these parameters to its default? It's very easy. Press Ctrl and left mouse and the parameter you want to get it to the default. So I get all parameters to its default. And if we want to organize our nodes, we have many tricks to do it. First, we can press Ctrl and then press left mouse in this yellow diamonds here. So we have this dot. This dot helps me to organize my tree. We have also another trick. If we have 3 nodes in this random way, we can organize them by selecting them all and press L. So we get them organized in one queue. We have also, if we are here away from our nodes, we can select this node and press F to get to this node directly in the middle of my node graph. So this is the end of this lecture about nodes. In the next lecture, we'll talk about timeline and how to deal with timeline and keyframes.